Managing the dairy is a system of coordinating an entire set of interlocking pieces, sort of like a puzzle. Reproduction, nutrition, genetics, animal health care management, employee training and management. So should culling be part of that interlocking puzzle. We have voluntary culling for things like age, reproductive status, production capacity. And then there are cows who, regardless of how good a manager we are, simply have an injury, a metabolic challenge, or some other problem that simply requires that they leave the herd. When we make the decision to cull cows, we need to have a plan, a process, and a protocol. The reality is we can look at it as a traffic light. Green light, that cow's a body condition score 2-5 or better. She's highly ambulatory. She's not stressed metabolically. She's cleared all of her clearances relative to potential drug residues. She's ready to go to market, and we need to market her humanely and with confidence. A yellow light is perhaps a situation where a cow is on the line of where perhaps an employee is concerned about her body condition or her degree of ambulation, where at that point in time the employee needs to know they can come to management and ask for help. And then there's red light. If she's a body condition score 2-5 or less, if she's not ambulatory, if she's in metabolic crisis, if she has not cleared a drug residue clearance time, that cow needs to not be marketed because she is not going to be able to be marketed in an appropriate, profitable, humane way. So dairy management is about this big process, this puzzle. Don't leave culling off the table. Have a plan, have a protocol, and train your people so that you manage your cull cows with the same care that you manage the productive cows. Quality is an attitude. And to implement quality throughout our farm or ranch, we need to have a conversation on an ongoing basis. Training helps to formalize that conversation and provide some structure to helping us communicate our expectations to employees and to ourselves. Whether it's the use of employee training manuals or training materials and charts that can be hung in the barn or the employee rest area to remind people about the expectation and about our goals as a quality farmer ranch. Participation in the Dairy Animal Care and Quality Assurance Program sends a message to consumers that you care about the quality and wholesomeness of the milk and the meat that comes from your farm. It sends a message to your employees that doing it right is the standard of excellence that we expect on our farm. And it sends a message deep inside ourselves that we're not just about making a little money. We're about doing things right, about providing great products to great people, doing things in the right way. If you'd like to learn more about the Dairy Quality Program, please visit the website animalcaretraining.org.